welcome to the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering from University in Belgrade. We are at Beoavia, Association of Aerospace Students Beoavia, and my name is Nevena Đokić. I'm Vice President of Association. So let me introduce you to Beoavia. Beoavia is a non-profit student organization, and we gather students from 10 different faculties from University of Belgrade, and we build different various types of drones for international student competitions, where we represent our university and Republic of Serbia. And currently we have around 70 members from 10 different universities from faculties from University of Belgrade, and so far since our establishment we successfully finished 11 projects.
Hi, my name is Luka and I am a student here at the University of Belgrade Mechanical Engineering. I'm a fourth year student here at the Aerospace department and also a member of Beoavia team. This in front of me is our project made in more like humanitarian mindset. It's called Phoenix, and it was designed to carry the blood transfusion bags to less accessible places. It was designed with the purpose that it has a short takeoff and landing distance, basically a short runway, less than 50 meters. And it is also designed to carry a large number of those bags. Basically, it weighs 3.5 kilograms and can carry 3.5 kilograms of those bags.
We are currently working on another project. It's UAV called Putnik for international competition called the Air Cargo Challenge that is going to take place next week in Aachen in Germany. And I'm going to show you the middle part, finished part of this aircraft. This is basically the middle part. This is where we are going to attach cargo bay, where we are going to put billiard balls that we are going to transport at the competition itself. And basically on the side we are going to attach the wings of the aircraft.
So basically the cargo bay is loaded with the billiard balls, as you can see, and it is attached to this bottom part exactly here. It is connected and it can also be disconnected as well. The wings that are 3.3 meters in span connect left and right, and the main, let's call it fuselage, connects to the rear side, and there we also have the tail parts, and the front parts where the engines and all the electronic components go connects here. So here we have the nose of our newest aircraft called Putnik. In the nose we can see that the electronic components are stored. Here there is the autopilot, the navigation systems and other components used for the control of the aircraft. If I close this now, this here, on the rear side of here we have another compartment where the battery is stored. Now there is no battery here, but usually is placed here. You can see different cables and other electronic components. If I close this one as well, at the front we can see that the electric motor is mounted. There we also mount the propeller, which is this one here, if we mount it here. And then we have this spinner, as it is called, so that the drags are reduced and that we have the maximum capacity of our propeller.
Thank you very much for visiting Beoavia. I hope you had a pleasant experience.
Have a great trip and much luck in your next stop, Bulgaria.
Srećan put!